In today's video, I want to show you one of the trickiest leaks you can find on a vinyl liner pool. This is the kind of leak that hides so well even the pros can miss it. Finding a large hole on a pool liner should be easy, but when it's tiny or hidden behind something, it turns into a real treasure hunt. And this one right here, it was the perfect example. This is actually a brand new liner, but as you can see the installation wasn't done properly. I checked every inch in this liner. The floor, the walls, the seams, the corners, you name it. I found nothing at first. When I don't find anything obvious, I have to get extra careful. That means checking the weird spots, places most people never think to look. For this one actually I had to use a mirror just to see the area properly. And look at this, the hole is so small and it's such an awkward spot that even my sound test didn't pick it up. Here is a good tip. When you are checking a vinyl liner pool, remember that every single connection point could be a leak. Face plates, fittings, skimmers, lights, corners, steps, make sure you check them all. Take your time, look closely, and test every connection with eye. Are vinyl liner pools harder to inspect other than other types? Let me know your thoughts and your craziest leak story in the comment below. I love hearing what other techs and pool owners are dealing with. If you want to learn how to find a pool yourself, make sure you download my free ebook, How to Find a Pool Leak. I will put the link in the description for you. And if you enjoy watching the tricky leak hunts, check out my playlist called Sneaky Leaks. Some of those are really surprising. Thanks so much for watching, have a Merry Christmas, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.